Percy needs a home. If anybody out there watching this video, he needs a home. Okay? He loves to show off. And unfortunately, I don't know why he does that. Because he's spaded, and I've had him since a puppy. And he was clipped. But he still has a lot of energy. Here's a 12-year-old pit in dire need of a loving home and somebody that would take care of him. And all in all, he's just a great dog. He sleeps with me every night. He has 11 days to go. And after that, I don't know what I'm going to do. So, again, there's a lot of shelters that are full at this time. I'd rather not see him go to a shelter and be locked up in a cage. That's from what I hear from my research from shelters. Most people don't take older dogs. Right now, he doesn't chew in the house. He's just showing off. So your carpet wouldn't be chewed. He might pick a couch to lay on. And again, dogs get used to with their new owner. And after a little while, their feelings will come. Whoever might take them in and give them the love. Oh my goodness. Percy, stop that. Please. I'm taping this so you can get a new home. Alright? Alright? Maybe somebody wants you. Huh? Hey, look at Daddy. Huh? Ah. Where's your ball? Where's your ball? Hey, he's got his ball. He knows what the ball is. He'll retrieve it. He tore that hard ball, that baseball apart. I don't know why he does it, but... Percy, look. All right. He's very calm. I'm in his cage. And let's take a walk out. If anybody takes him in the next 11 days, this cage will go with him. So please, he's in dire need of a home. And I don't worry about my home. The banks can just take it, and I'll go in the shelter. So, very hard times right now, so don't know what else to say, other than it's a beautiful piece of property, and somebody will make a new home here eventually. But in today's economy, for the first new home buyer, this would be a great place to live. It's peaceful. It's on a highway. Beautiful yard. Beautiful entrance. And farmland right next door. And that's it. Don't know what else to say. Other than the dream is gone.